Hi guys, Brandon here from Brandon Tek Tak. One of my fellow eye surgeons, he asked me a question that he takes a lot of eye photographs like most of us do. How to make sure that they are easy to find and store them in one place on iPhone. So this is how I would do. You open your Photos application, then tap on Albums, make a new album. You can name it whatever. Let's just for demo, I will name it as food. And then what I'll do is I will select all the photos that I want to send to the foods album, and then I will tap on done. I labeled it as good, supposed to be food. Anyway, all the photographs have come together. And now if I go back to my recent photographs and then I want to look for my eye photos or food photos, I will tap on search and type here, in this case, good. All those photographs in that goods album have come up. So this is the easiest way to do it. Hope this helps. Bye bye.